everyone, I'm here with a tasty Persian rice that is called cabbage rice. The ingredients are 3 cups of rice, 1 small cabbage, 200 gram ground meat, an onion, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, a quarter of teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon turmeric. After washing, soak the rice with warm water. Pour salt. Let the rice soak for 1 or 2 hours. Grate an onion. Put the onion with the ground meat on the heat. When the meat's color changed, add turmeric and pepper and tomato paste. Chop the cabbage. Add to meat. Put the lid on. Give it 10 minutes to soften with heat. Pour the rice into the boiling water. When the rice is slightly soft, pour into the colander. Pour a layer of rice and a layer of cabbage pilaf ingredients into the pot. Pour a little oil. Brew it on low heat. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.